Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads plus SEO certified advertising professional plus an owner of a Google partner company. So today I'm here with another amazing case study regarding Google Ads, which were suspended for compromised sites. Now this is different from your account being suspended. The account was not being suspended, but rather ads were disapproved for compromised sites. Now, in case if you don't know that we provide different solutions regarding for compromised site, malicious software, unreliable claim, destination not working, ad suspended for circumventing system or any such reason. So this was a reason we created another case study regarding this one. So I'm going to show you step by step on what exactly happened and how we get it solved. Okay, the first thing first, I'm going to show you that original account. This was an original account, and you can see over here that the client started to get the ads sorted out for compromised site. Okay, they actually failed. They actually failed in August. They actually failed in September, and they actually failed in 7th October. And then when they handed over the case to us, when then we also tried to get them sorted, but we were also failed. You can see over here that we got 3 failures. So this was the reason. Then we decided that me as a team, because it's always a teamwork, so we as a team decided to get it manually sorted out. So we started 2 options. First thing was, which we contacted to Google support regarding for a manual review. We wanted to discuss, because the account is good. The account has huge spending, more than $3.5 million spending was then over in the account. So which we were quite confident, because if they are running for a while, it means that they do not have any issues. So we got it approved that that we have to send an email to the customer. While uh, we send an email to Google, we started discussing on our own on what can be the possible sorted out reasons. We had to go through the Shopify. We looked on the Google Search Console for any errors, past errors. We had to go through the coding. We used different softwares, malware scanner, different softwares to get it sorted out. But on any website we didn't find any errors. But yeah, we find it some coding issues on the account. We thoroughly investigate those issues. Then at Shopify, we thought that some apps were causing an issue over here. So we suggested a manual research on the. We had to go through the coding. We step by step look on the code that if there is any code which is causing such an issue. So gladly that was not such a case with the majority of them. But we find one app where we were suspicious. We were not actually sure that this could be a reason, or we were like, okay, this could be or this could be not. Now we were confused on that app. On the contrary, because we are a Google partner company, and because we sent an email, and then we the next day we sent another email. So we were very surprised that we did not got any reply from the Google. So we were like, what happened? So because we have a good dedicated Google rep as well. But I tried a different strategy over here. We basically, what we did, me again, by I it means that we as a team did service strategy. So what we did was, we also have several other test accounts, and then we tried creating that ad over there as well. For instance, over here in our test account, and the same thing was happened, that the ad went disapproved. And once it went to disapprove, I'm going to show you over here as well that the ad had the same issues like on the premium account. Okay, so we were like, oh, actually what we did, you can see over here, the third one error is a compromise site. You can see the campaign name as well, so you guys have an idea on what is the campaign. Okay, you can see over here that it was failed. So we were like, okay, so we actually now created another support request from our this account. Now we were having 2 requests for the same website from 2 different parallel accounts. And then because this account was issued from our Google partner MCC, which is why it had a priority support. So we got an email from Google, and it was regarding, you can see over here, hi, thank you for your patience. I understand your concern about disapproval ads for your Google Ads account 704562791, which is over here. You can see 704562791. And then With that said, we can confirm that the latest scan of this domain came back clean and the domain is free from malware advertising violation. The domain should be fully re-enabled to serve ads once the system synchronization in a few hours. It can take up to 24 to 48 hours. We recommend re-uploading the ads for faster processing, and we have they provided everything over here. Now what we happened is we were like, okay, the ad, now this is an original account. We were like, because they had various failed appeals, and then we went to the policy issue, and the ads were automatically went to the past violation. It means that the ads are no longer suspended but rather passed. And you can see even now over here that the in our test account the domain is now approved. So this is another successful case study regarding the ad, and you can see over here that the ads are mostly eligible. So now what we have to do is to run those ads, and they have for the past violation, it's completed and it's no longer sorted. You can see over here as well that the account has got it approved. And past violation, for those who don't know, the past violation means that those ads were disapproved in the past and now no longer requires approval, but they have been posted so that you cannot run an ad. So we cannot run an ad over here without client approval. So but I'm going to show you the approved version over here, and I'm also going to show you the Google email as well, which actually discusses about the issue is now no longer being detected on the website, and website is free from malvertising violations. Originally the ad was suspended for compromised site, and I have seen cases where websites are being suspended for malicious software, unreliable claim, circumventing system, link destination not working, and many other cases. So in case if your ad has been disapproved for any of such reason, me and my team can help you in getting them sorted out. And even if you need Google ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, setup audit management services, or even SEO services, technical SEO services, or even landing page services or web development services, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description to work with us. I hope you like this video. In case if you like this video, I want you guys to press the bell icon. Firstly subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And lastly, I request you guys to make sure, in case if you like the video, do share or comment. And in case if you want me to cover any specific topic, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, and I will be happy to get a video of this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.